Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today I have some sort of news which I think might interest you, and this is actually something that would probably be happening to the guys at Foundry. And there is a company called Rupert Technologies, and they are set to acquire Foundry come April 2019. And so Foundry has been the company that has been, or that have produced very key CG tools that we've been making use of, especially when it gets to do with compositing and also texturing and looks and development. And I'm talking about no other tool than Nuke and Mari and Katana. And they've also created a very amazing modeling tool which is known as Modo. Foundry, which is presently owned by HG Capital Trust PLC, was once owned by a company or by a group known as the Carly Group, all right, before it was bought by HD Capital Trust PLC in 2015. Presently, the Foundry is valued at £200 million, and the all-cash transaction is valued at about £410 million. So, and it's also worth mentioning that Roper owns a couple of technological firms and other firms alike, but this is actually the first firm that they're going to be owning that has to do with CG. I would like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Do you think this is a good idea? What are your hopes and what are the expectations? From the intels that we've gathered so far, it simply gets to do with the workers, so there is no retrenchment of any workers so far, so they're not going to reshuffle the staff. The same staff members are still going to be the same staff members they're going to have. The management will remain the same, and from them they say production and R&D and all of those amazing developments will still continue the way that they are. I'll put the links to the Foundry blog and also links to Roper and also the HG Capital Trust in the description, so you can go ahead and check them out for yourself. I would like to know what your thoughts are about this new development, and what your comments are in the comment section below. And if you like this video, simply give it a like and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you're new here, it would be amazing if you can hit that subscribe button and also turn on notification to get more updates like this. And until I see you again with an update, review, tutorial, tips and tricks, Feel Friday, things like this. Peace.